All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start of your day, whatever time it may be. It's been a very busy week. It's about to get even busier. Absolutely not complaining. I have about 2 days, really not even 2 days, like 24 hours before it's about to get crazy. And I wanted to make a video explaining what's gonna be going down within the next couple of months on this channel. So if you guys are excited, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Speaking about very busy days, it's some rush hour traffic going down my street, so let's get on the way. Let's get this cold start. I've been trying to get the braking miles done, failing miserably. I've had like no time whatsoever. Whew, alrighty. Miserably. 179. Gotta get our pre-flight check going down. I've had like literally no time to do the clutch break-in miles. It is what it is. All right, so we are on the road now. I want to put this out there right now. No, this is not going to be a negative video. This is going to be an update video that I'm making so you guys know exactly what's going down. Oh my gosh. Because in all reality, I know a lot of times that automotive YouTubers disappear. They don't ever give a reason why they disappear. I'm not disappearing. The upload frequency might, and I'm gonna try my hardest for this to not happen. It might slow down. Now, if you guys are unaware, this is not the only YouTube channel that I run. I have a gaming YouTube channel, and it is that time of the year where new games are coming out. The holidays are upon us, and it is imperative that I lock in and prioritize the gaming side of things over the automotive side of things. We have Battlefield 6 about to release within the next couple of days, literally within the next couple of days. We have Black Ops 7 releasing within roughly a month. In all of the updates for both titles, and this is going to be the first time ever that I'm going to be covering two AAA titles at the same time. So if the automotive content slows down, if I only start uploading like 3-4 times a week as opposed to like the 6, potentially 7, if something goes down, that is going to be why. Now, most of you guys who watch the content on this channel know that I have a gaming channel. If you want to check out my gaming channel, just type in Ears on YouTube. You will be able to find it very, very easily. And if you can't find it for whatever reason, if you just type in Ears Black Ops 6, Ears Black Ops 7, or Battlefield 6, you will be able to find it very, very easily. That is my bread and butter. That's where I started off on YouTube, and that takes priority over all of the automotive stuff. So I wanted to go ahead and make that update to you guys so y'all know what's going down within these next couple of days. Literally within the next couple of days. It's not something that's going to be, you know, happening in like a week or 2 weeks or a month. This is something that's going to be happening within the next couple of days. Now we have the Black Ops 7 beta going on right now, so I've been covering that religiously, and that's also part of the reason why I have not been able to go ahead and break in the clutch as quickly as I wanted. I only have 182 miles on here right now. Oh my goodness. y'all saw. Can y'all see that? Hold up. It's a Corvette. You might not be able to see it because it's so low. Ah. Yeah, y'all not be able to see it. Oh, we're right there. That's actually pretty badass right there. He merged on the highway. It is what it is. Thing has no hood on it, and I'm pretty sure it has a supercharger on it. This is literally what I've been doing, like when I have a little bit of free time. It's just taking the car out, kind of just doing loops and whatnot, trying to break in this clutch one way or another. And the worst part about it is, not really the worst part about it, what kind of sucks is I actually looked on the Vengeance website. It's actually not a 500-mile break-in. It's actually a 7 to 1,000-mile break-in, which is like, oh my goodness. I'll have 180 something miles on here. Man. Oh my God. It's gonna be a long 7 to 1,000 miles. It really is. Now, that being said, you guys probably can't hear me. That guy's gripping that steering wheel. That boy was like, hey, he was gripping that steering wheel. All right, so hope we don't get interrupted again. But as I was saying, what type of content do you guys want to see on the channel? I have an idea on what I'm going to be putting out for the next month and a half, 2 months. What the heck? Something don't sound right. That guy's tires about to pop or something like that. What the heck? Man. Hopefully everything's good with that, because that did not sound good. I still hear it. Like, what the heck? But I have an idea on what I'm gonna be putting out. As far as the Mexico content, it is kind of hard right now to actually get out to Mexico because that's like an entire night ordeal, and I need the night to go ahead and prepare for the next day's content, which is going to be a lot, not for this channel only, but obviously for gaming as well. So I'm gonna try to get out there as much as possible, but like as of right now, if you see less Mexico content, that is why. Like I said, I'm just kind of putting this update video out there so y'all know what's going down, because I know a lot of guys who do automotive YouTube just kind of leave people hanging. Don't necessarily tell people what's up, but you know, I might as well just go ahead and do it. Like I said, not a negative video. Oh my God, bro. I absolutely hate driving this car right now, breaking this clutch in when it's like this type of traffic, because this clutch is heavy. And damn, it's kind of annoying, but at the same time, I still like the clutch. It feels good. It's just this type of traffic, it sucks. Going up hills, oh my gosh. I don't even have the hill assist no more. That don't work, so woo. Can't have it all. Can't have a light pedal feel but want to make a lot of power. It is what it is. Or maybe you can. I'm just not spending $4,000 on a clutch for a car with a stock transmission. Them downshifts sound way better though. some more braking miles on the other side of town. Forget that. Ain't nobody got time to deal with that rush hour traffic.
One eternity later.
All right, we finally got out of that rush hour traffic. I wanted to make this video, let you guys know exactly what's going down within the next 1.5 to 2 months. Gotta lock in because there's a lot of things I want to buy for the Shelby GT350 as well as the S650 Mustang GT. Again, this is not a video saying that I'm not going to upload. Absolutely not, because it's not in anybody's interest to stop posting on this channel. But if the upload frequency slows down, like I said, instead of like the 6 to 7 videos to like 3 4, y'all know why. I don't know how the car gets this dirty when it has not rained in like weeks. Maybe it has, but I know I haven't gotten caught in the rain. Like, I don't know. It is what it is. Like, dog. That's what you get for driving on a radial. But even in the front, like, oh, these aren't even radial tires. Some good ass directional tires though. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Whew. I'm gonna get these braking miles done as quickly as I can, but it's looking like it might take a little bit longer. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.